Hey guys, just a video on this Starmaster stepper. If you ever need to work on a stepper, if you just wedge something underneath this, the rear step there, I've just got one of these foam pads, but if you just rest something underneath there or your toolbox or something, it'll stop the stairs from moving when you walk on it, so then you can just climb up and the stairs won't fall. So with this, I've just replaced this console, but to get into the back end, the maintenance mode on this console, this is the SM5 or TS1 or SM5 TS1 console is the model. So to get into this maintenance mode, what you're going to do is press the top left, top right, and then the Starmaster logo, and then it will go into maintenance mode. And then here you've just got all usual settings. You can reset, customize languages, units. You can change it to metric from inch, go back, machine status, that's all the info there. This main one here you might want to look at whenever you look at these touch screens. I always do a screen calibration or touch screen calibration. So within this setting, utilities, you can do a touch screen calibration, which is just hitting all these X's here, just like that, and it will go through back to the start screen. So to get in, just the top left, top right, and Starmaster logo. Thanks guys.